Greenie Beanies, it's me, Marvy. Are you as excited as I am for today's video? Then let's watch!
Do you know the Muffin Man? Muffin Man? Yeah, yeah. Do you know the Muffin Man? Muffin Man? Yeah, yeah.
Did you know that the Muffin Man does good deeds whenever he can? You should know the Muffin Man. I'm a fan.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay. Oh, Muffin Man! Could you please push in to go on the suite?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank you.
Muffin Man!
Ready for a push?
Yes!
Yeah. Oh.
Is that the Muffin Man? Oh, look.
Lucky! Yeah. You guys want to come over and play? Let's go.
I'm a fan, Muffin Man. I'm a fan, Muffin Man. I'm a fan, Muffin Man. Muffin Man. I'm a fan of the Muffin Man, cause he helps whenever he can. Get to know the Muffin Man. I'm a fan. I know he's good to be like the Muffin Man and help people out whenever you can. Let's all give a helping hand, just like the Muffin Man. Just like the Muffin Man. Just like the Muffin Man. Just like the Muffin Man.
Wow, that was fun. Should we watch another video? Hey, Eleanor, you want to watch another video? She says yes. Come on, Greenie Beanies.